The riches are in the niches. Maybe you've heard that expression before. But what exactly does that mean? And how should it influence your cleaning business? Well, that's what we're answering in this video. And whether you say niche or niche doesn't really matter. What does matter is defining your niche so you can accelerate your cleaning business's growth and greatly increase your take-home pay as the cleaning business owner. Let's get to work. If you ask a cleaning business owner who their target market is and they answer everyone, then that really means no one. In other words, if you try to serve everyone, you will end up serving no one. And the reason is very simple. A service-based business can only serve so many people or only offer so many services before they are spread too thin. When this happens, one of two things will occur. The services they offer will greatly suffer, leading to a whole bunch of other problems, or they will simply fail. I have a whole other video that talks about one of the greatest examples of niching down, and that's Chick-fil-A. And there are many lessons cleaning business owners can learn from their business model. I'll link you to that video after this one. But when it comes to cleaning businesses, defining your niche simply means providing a very targeted service that will fill a very specific need within your market, like a cleaning company that specializes in luxury residential or one that only cleans medical offices. Yes, there are cleaning businesses that do it all, but if you are not yet reaching your income goals as a cleaning business owner, then you need to niche down. Once you master one aspect of your market and hit those income goals, then you can think about expanding your service offerings. But even after 20 plus years in the business, I don't do it all. It might seem counterintuitive to think that offering fewer services or going after fewer client types drives greater profits, but it's the absolute truth. The riches are in the niches. So to help you identify your niche, ask yourself, what makes my cleaning business different from my competition? What is my unique value proposition? For example, if you specialize in cleaning medical offices, are you using that to your advantage in some way? And a big one, which of your services really drives your profits? And not just gross profits, but which ones drive your net profits? Which ones net you the most amount of money with the least amount of work and friction? Once you identify the answers to these questions, you can focus on what you do best and target customers who will most benefit from what you do best. Now, if you're just starting your business, then it's okay to go a little more broad in the type of cleaning you offer. But once you know the type of cleaning needed in your market that also aligns with your business goals, then it's time to specialize. And whether you want to clean yourself or hire staff should also factor into your decisions. For over 15 years, I specialized in luxury residential, and I love that business model due to its simplicity. These clients are willing to pay top dollar for luxury home cleaning specialists, and in certain markets, you will have no trouble finding great ones to work for. Now I only do commercial cleaning, and I look for high-value, long-term contracts. They require a little more work up front, but in the long run, that extra work is totally worth it. And now I hire staff to do the actual cleaning. But by defining your niche and trying your best to stick with it, you can perfect your business model. And then you can always move on to another one later, like I did. If I was doing luxury residential, but also trying to do commercial, then my focus would have been all over the place. And this would have stunted my growth. So define your niche in your market and become a specialist. By doing so, you'll attract the right customers and set yourself apart from your competition. And most importantly, your take-home pay as the cleaning business owner will increase, while your workload will decrease. If your cleaning business isn't where you want it yet, then consider working with us. You can learn more below. And as always, I believe in you, so believe in yourself, and let's build what you want together.